As in, wala kang maririnig in the background. Focus na focus ka talaga sa pag-grind mo. Nice. Ito yung bagong earbuds ni Vinco. This is the S10 NC. Let's open it up. Yun, bagong-bago, man. Isa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa S10, guys, is updated na yung kanyang Bluetooth version. Naka 6.0 na to, guys. So, kadalasan talaga, 5.3, 5.4. So, kung makita nyo, nandito na yung ating pinaka-guide. Of course, di mawawala yung ating USB cable. But this time, guys, tignan nyo. Type-C to Type-C na siya. Nice. Then we have our manuals here. So we have the warranty card. And we have extra buds. So here is the S10 NC. Let's go. Kung makita nyo yung body niya, guys, may pagka-matte finish. Very premium. We have the Type-C port here at the back. And to open it, you just have to slide it like that. Ito naman yung itsura ng kanyang earbuds. So, fee check na tayo. Fee check! It's very comfy to wear. Ang maganda din dito, guys, wirelessly, kaya nyo tumagal up to 15 hours of usage. And itong earbuds niya, guys, it actually features 4 mic system. So, that is actually good, especially during calls. At ang nagustuhan ko pa, guys, dito sa Vinco S10, aside from having environmental noise cancellation, or yung ENC na tinatawag, meron din siyang active noise cancellation. And actually, guys, naka-high fidelity na rin to. But, syempre, dahil gamer tayo, testing na natin siya in game. Mas marirecommend ko siya sa mga MOBA genres, such as Honor of Kings. Dito, talagang mas ma-appreciate mo yung pagkakaroon niya ng quality sound. And syempre, kung gaming mode ka, i-hold mo lang to activate the active noise cancellation. Para naman uninterrupted yung ating gaming session. As in, wala kang maririnig in the background. Focus na focus ka talaga sa pag-grind, men. Pagdating naman sa music listening, dito talaga nag-stand out itong S10 NC. Kasi guys, buong-buo yung tunog niya. As in, the mid, the high tone is enough, and especially the low tone. Kumbaga, overall, it's a balanced wireless earbuds. If you're planning to get this one, link ko na lang yellow basket down below. Let's go!